Hello and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'll be showing you how you can install Python regardless of your operating system. I'll be showing you two easy ways you can install Python. One of the ways, which is my favorite, is by installing Python through the Anaconda distribution. The Anaconda distribution does not only include Python, but comes with tons of packages that you may need if you want to explore Python for data science and machine learning. So after learning and mastering Python in this course, and you decide to go further with machine learning, then you are a step ahead if you're familiar with the Anaconda environment. Anaconda also includes the famous Jupyter Notebook that can be used for executing the Python script. I will show you how to use Jupyter Notebook later on. But first, let's go ahead and see how to install Anaconda distribution. So the first step is to visit the anaconda.org website. Then you will need to click on the download Anaconda and it will take you to this download page. Then if I scroll down a little bit, here you can see three options based on your operating system. So since I'm using Windows, I'm going to select for Windows. And here, if you are using a 64-bit, you can download for 64-bit graphical installer. Or if you're using a 32-bit machine, then you need to download the 32-bit graphical installer. Currently, I'm working on a 32-bit machine, so I'm going to download the 32-bit graphical installer. And here you can see that the download has started and it's going to take some time. So I will pause the video and get back once it is done. Okay, the download is done. So here is my download folder. What I need to do is to right click on the installer. Click on Open or Run as Administrator. And the installation process is going to begin. On the dialog box, you just need to hit on the Next button. Next, you need to accept the Anaconda user license. And then you will say Install just for me or all users. I will check just for me and hit Next. And here is going to ask you for the location you would want to install the Anaconda. For now, I'm going to leave it as default and hit on the Next button, then Install to begin the installation process. The installation process is going to take quite some time, so I will pause the video now. Okay, the installation is finished. So I will hit on the Next button. Then it's asking if I want to install the Microsoft Visual Studio Code. The Visual Studio Code is one of the IDE for Python. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. And as you can see, it's just an IDE that Anaconda has partnered with. So in this course, we'll be using other IDE or editor to write and execute our Python script. So for now, I'm going to skip this. Then I will uncheck these boxes and hit on Finish. So now that we've successfully installed Anaconda with Python, we need to verify if everything is working correctly. So on my Windows search box, I will simply start typing Anaconda. And here is what we are looking for, the Anaconda prompt. Now I'm going to type Python and hit the return key on my keyboard. And here we have it, Python 3.7 and all other information. And just here you can see 3 greater than sign. This is where you enter your Python commands. For example, if I type 3 plus 10 and hit enter, and you can see the result is being printed out. I can also go ahead by using the Python print function to print out hello world on the console like this. And here we have it also. Don't worry about this line of code for now. I will explain this later on in details. So this is just to show you how you can write and execute Python code in the console. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lecture.